Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an awesome resource that will help you launch your own dream website in just 5 days. So if you are an Etsy seller, maybe you are an Amazon seller, maybe you've been thinking about selling your own products and services in your own website or blog, then this video is for you. Make sure that you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to explain this free website course that helps you build your dream website. And before we begin, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. And don't forget to show me some love, guys, by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, the reason why I did this video is because a lot of people lately have been asking me, how do I go about signing up or creating my own website? What is your recommendation? I need help. I'm not tech savvy. I feel overwhelmed just thinking about opening a website or a blog for my products and services. How do I get started, etc., etc. So I want to create this video not only to promote a product that I am an affiliate marketer of, but also to promote a product that I highly love. This company also did my actual blog at nancybadillo.com. And it's a duo husband and wife, and they are excellent at doing this. They have beautiful websites. The husband does all the installation, and they have beautiful templates, social media, landing pages. I mean, they have so many products and services for small business owners. And I'm absolutely amazed by all their products. I've bought probably like 6 products from them, including my website now. And I only recommend products and services that I have used before or that I highly know that they are awesome. I never recommend something that I've never used before because I feel like it's ingenuine. So just wanted to give you guys that disclosure. Now, this is a free email course. You don't have to pay anything for it. And basically what it's going to do is going to help you plan, build, and launch your own website in just 5 days. It's just that simple. So if you want to learn how to build a website from scratch without feeling overwhelmed, without feeling the anxiety of learning something new and be overwhelmed with so much information, make sure that you sign up for this free course. Basically, what they do is that they're going to be sending you emails for a period of 5 days. And each email is with a specific topic that is crucial when it comes to creating a successful website, basically. So the emails, another great thing about them, the emails are broken down into bite-sized lessons. So they're going to allow you to take action each day without getting overwhelmed. That's the best way everybody learns, is that you get a little bit of information on something, you learn it, and then you apply it. That way you don't forget what you learned the next day. And when you do that, you actually learn and you don't feel so overwhelmed because it's bite-sized information. And what you're going to learn from the course is that you're going to learn how to identify your business goal. You're going to learn how to set up correctly your website or your blog. You're going to select the right WordPress theme for your business or blog. So if you sell, let's say, Etsy products and you want to have your own Etsy e-commerce store, you'll be able to select WordPress themes for selling digital products or selling actual products on your store, tangible items on your store. You're going to be able to understand and learn tips for designing your website. And you're also going to be able to create or craft powerful content that sells. So they're going to really do, it's almost like a business plan, but a business plan for your website, basically. And it's really, really nice that they take the time to do this and give you from step 1 through step 5 what you have to do. So I wanted to bring you guys this idea because I think it's amazing, especially because you're going to learn something new. Even if at the end of the course you decide, okay, I'm just going to wait, you'll learn something new. So if you are interested in signing up for the course, I'm going to leave the link below so you guys could sign up. Keep in mind, this is free, so you're not paying anything for it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching.